In front of me is Oppo Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts and tap on add emergency contact. Now it's time to tap on the one that you wish to set up, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Make sure that this switcher next to show info when locked is blue for those contacts to appear on your locked screen. Lastly, if you wish to get rid of one of them or all of them, use this remove button next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!